Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about China importation business. Recently, someone reached out to me on my YouTube channel, make a comment that how can they download Xianyu Chinese shopping app. And I decided to make a video about it so that a lot of people that are interested in Xianyu Chinese shopping app can see how they can simply download the app without any stress. Let me show you how. For everyone that is using iPhone, all you have to do is to go to your App Store. For everyone that is using Android phone, all you have to do is to go to your Play Store. So in this tutorial, I'm using Android phone. I will go to Play Store. Then having get to the Play Store, go ahead and click on search. Then you want to make sure you click on search app. Then go ahead and search for Xianyu. Xianyu. Just take a look at the spell right here. Xianyu. Then click on search. Then here you go. Now looking for Xianyu. This app is not available for your device because it was made for an older version of Android. How can you fix this problem? Quite a lot number of people are facing this problem on the Play Store app, and they find it difficult to install Xianyu app. So there is another way around by which you can use to get this particular Xianyu app successfully installed on your Android device. But for everyone that is using iPhone, you don't have any issue. Just type this Xianyu, download and install the app from your App Store. For every Android user, let me quickly walk you through step by step on how you can successfully download this Xianyu Chinese shopping app on your Android phone. So with that being said, let's get started. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Xianyu. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taobao, JD.com, Xianyu, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, consider to reach out to me on my WhatsApp via the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's get started. So like I said, we're going to see how to bypass this and install Xianyu on our Android phone. So what we want to do is to go ahead and make sure we exit from Play Store because the app cannot be installed because of the version of this Android phone. So what we want to do next is to make sure we proceed to web browser. So you can make use of Chrome browser. Go ahead and click on open up your Chrome browser. And the next thing you want to do is to come to the Google search right here. And then go ahead and type in download Xianyu app. Latest version. Then hit on search. There's going to take you to the search result right here. Simply scroll down right here. Scroll down right here. And then go ahead and click on this one right here. APK for Android. This is 2026 Xianyu. Click on this one right here. And then it's going to take you right here. You can see the app right here. So allow it to load completely. What you want to do is to go ahead and click on free download. Simply close this pop up. Click on free APK download again. Your download has started. Then this is the APK right here. Go ahead and click on download anyway. So after a successful download, let's slide down right here and check on the download folder. You can see the download is still in progress. Now it has successfully downloaded. You can see com/Tauba idlefish apk. Now after a successful download, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and proceed to your download folder on your Android phone. So I'm going to exit from here now. Then I'll go ahead and click on the search app right here. File. The next thing we want to do here is to go ahead and simply click on Files right here. On getting to the Files folder, so we want to make sure we go to Download. Then here you go. You have your Xianyu app right here. It's that simple. This is how to simply download Xianyu app on your Android phone. In the next tutorial, I will show you how to run this setup successful into your Android phone. Let me know what you think about this particular tutorial in the comment section down below. And for more useful tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.